Hello guys, this is my DIY electric scooter. This is a 32 miles per hour and it's a dual hub motor, as you can see, and I use lithium ion 18650 batteries inside, and then that is BMS, and you can see it's designed by South Korea electric scooter, and I use this light, a headlight, and here guys, so it's been 8 months or 9 months already. I got 836.8 miles already, and here I have two brakes, disc brakes, and I have a regen brake, and this no function yet, but I have here the headlight. I'm gonna turn this on. As you can see guys, the high beam and then the low beam, strobe light, and back to normal, as you can see. And then I have the light down, as you can see here. And here the controller to make the light different. So if you want red, it's gonna be red. If you want green, blue, and white. So here, and you have the auto flash and fade. So if you want the flash, it's flashing. If you want the fade, it's fading. If you want more quicker, see. If you want more slow, there you go guys. Here you can dim the light. Maybe if you have like white, maybe, and then you want to dim, there you go, it's dim already. And then if you want bright, it's gonna be bright. Only in the single color you can use the dim, this one. So here you want to use the fade, and then you want to pose the color like that one. It's gonna be posing that color, and if you wanna play it again, there you go. This one is cut by water cooling, water jet. It's fabricated for Waterjet, and it's made in US, so it's okay, you know. Air shock, another air shock. That's it guys, so thank you for watching. Bye bye, peace, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.